When you graph a parabola or a quadratic, such as y equals x squared, a parabola is a U-shaped. It is either going to open up or it's going to open down. When it opens up, if the coefficient in front of x squared is positive, it opens down if the coefficient of x squared is negative. Here, the coefficient is a 1. That's positive, so it's going to open up. So first we want to find the y-intercept by making x equal to 0. When you make x equal to 0, you just plug a 0 in for x, so you get y equals 0 squared. So y is a 0, so the y-intercept then is the ordered pair 0, 0. You picked this 0 right here, because I said x was 0, and then this one was solved. Then I just pick other points. So good points to pick when you're doing any kind of graphing for x is -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. When you pick these numbers, you plug them into the equation and you solve. So since y equals x squared, I put a -2 for x squared, so it's -2 squared, which is 4. When it's a -1, -1 squared is a 1. A 0, 0 squared, I get 0. A 1, 1 squared is 1, 2, 2 squared is 2. Now I'm graphing. Each one of these are ordered pairs. So the ordered pair is -2, 4. So -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, 1. It's right there. 0, 0. 1, 1. 2, 4. It's right there. And then you connect the dots. When you connect the dots, you draw a parabola shape. If I have y equals -2x squared plus 1, this is going to open down because the coefficient is negative. This is the coefficient right here, -2, so it's going to open down. First I want to get the y-intercept, so I make x equal to 0. So I plug in a 0 right here for x. So -2 times 0 squared plus 1. So this is a 0, and plus 1, so it's 1. So the y-intercept is 0, 1, which is right there. Now I pick my other points, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So plugging in a -2, -2 squared times 2 plus 1 is a -7. So that's going to be 4 times -2 is -8, plus 1 is -7. Putting in a -1, -1 squared is 1, times the -2 is -2. -2 plus 1 is a -1. 0, 1 I already did. When I put a 1 in there, I get a -1. When I put a 2, I get a -7. So when I'm graphing this, -2, 7, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1, -1, +2, +7, and this is a parabola opening down.